Speaking of money, our next crazy conspiracy is all about how a bunch of rich oil executives spent decades denying climate change to line their pockets. Number 6. Big Oil's climate change cover-up. For nearly a century, America's oil giants raked in massive profits, virtually unchecked. The world ran on oil, and they were the ones supplying it. And if that meant fueling climate disasters, rising sea levels, devastating mega rains in the Midwest, and the collapse of entire fishing communities, so be it. And Big Oil made sure nothing stood in the way of their profits. By 2024, at least 26 lawsuits had been filed by American cities and states, all accusing Big Oil of the same crime: deliberately deceiving the public while suppressing warnings about climate change. The industry went so far as to bury the findings of its own scientists when they failed to align with its agenda. Big Oil even commissioned studies to prove its products weren't harming the environment. But when the results didn't go its way, the data was locked away for decades, all to keep the money flowing. And the American public was duped. Big Oil's deception didn't just cost the planet, it cost nearly every U.S. state billions in damages from health crises and environmental destruction. California's 2023 lawsuit against these corporate giants laid it all out, accusing them of lying to protect profits while pushing green and low-emissions products that still contributed to carbon pollution. We should not have to foot the bill alone while oil companies profit, the state declared in a press release. And California wasn't alone. 5 years later, Greenpeace exposed ExxonMobil, one of America's biggest energy firms, secretly lobbying against climate action while publicly claiming to support it. The industry's playbook was clear: say one thing, do another, and then cash in. ExxonMobil branded the claims as disturbing and inaccurate at the time. Its entanglement in today's Big Oil lawsuits makes one thing clear: ExxonMobil knew exactly what it was doing. It likely lied, manipulated, and covered up the truth, all to make the rich even richer.